Hello, my dear children. I am Jisha Miss, your PT teacher. I hope and pray that all are safe and healthy. Do you all like to play? Of course. I know that all my smart boys and girls love to play games like football, cricket, throw ball, shuttle, etc. Sports and games are an important part of the students' growth and development. As you all know, sports and games makes us physically strong, increases our concentration power, teaches us the power of teamwork and build confidence. It also develops our skills. Today I am going to talk about a particular game. The game is handball. Handball is a team sport in which two teams of 7 players each. Players pass the ball using their hands with the aim of throwing it into goal of the other team. A standard match consists of 2 periods of 30 minutes and the team that score more goals win. Handball was first played 2nd December 1917 in Berlin, Germany. Team members 7 per side including goalkeeper. Modern handball is played on a court of 40 by 20 meter with a goal in the middle of each end. Zone where only the defending goalkeeper is allowed. Goal must be scored by throwing the ball from outside the zone. The game is fast and high scoring. Body contact is permitted, the defenders trying to stop the attackers from facing the goal. No protective equipment is mandated, but players may wear soft protective pads, mouth guards. The modern set of rules was published on 29th October 1917 in Berlin, which is seen as the date of birth of the sport and has several revisions since. Summary of handball rules. 2 teams of 7 players take the field and attempt to score points by putting the game ball into the opposing team's goal. After receiving the ball, players can pass, keep possession, or shoot the ball. If possessing the ball, players must dribble or can take up to 3 steps for up to 3 seconds at a time without dribbling. No attacking or defending players other than the defending goalkeeper are allowed to touch the floor of the goal area. The ball may not be passed back to the goalkeeper when they are positioned in the goal area. Now, let's talk about achievements of Raja School in the last 2 years in the handball competition. It was a remarkable moment for us. In 2018, when our boys secured 4th position and the girls secured 3rd position in the handball competition. In 2019, our girls maintained their position. But the most remarkable thing that happened in the last academic year was the victory of our boy. It was indeed a proud moment for us when a boys' the handball team secured overall championship in Sahodaya handball competition. Through their amazing performance, the boys made an unforgettable victory in the history of Raja School Sports and Games. Thank you.